Good morning, guys. So today is September 4th and we're on our way to the office no. And it's been raining really hard in Manila. Actually across the country no because of the bagyo na si Enteng. Let's see the situation outside no bago tayo pumasok.
So far, situation's not that bad.
Sige, try natin mag-book na. But let's see. So, ito yung pin natin. Pupunta tayo ng Uptown Place Tower 3 and it's around 295 sa Saver. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. Tip yan, no? Actually, mas mura talaga sa Saver. Mas matagal ka nga lang makaka-receive ng booking. So, in 6 minutes. Let's go! Now, while waiting for the Grab, no, it's actually been days etong bagyo na to, and for the past 2 days I've been working from home because of the hindi kaya talaga pumasok dahil sa baha. We've actually got advisories noon ng mga rainfall, so yeah, we just chose to be really careful, but in my discretion kaya naman to today pumasok. I'm really grateful din no sa company namin because they are proactive in sending notifications and alerts no sa status kung papasok ba or hindi. There's this thing that they call BCP no. I'll discuss that later pagdating sa office. Thank you. Ay. We made it to the office safely. The weather has been better. Medyo clear up na yung skies, but still may mga pagulan. Let's drop off muna yung bako natin. Naisip ko na. Let's work. Yun. Thankfully, no, nagkaroon tayo ng free time, no. So, balikan natin yung na-mention ko kanina, which is yung BCP and bakit siya importante. So, BCP. So, this actually stands for Business Continuity Plan. Think of it as, let's say, ikaw ay isang business owner. And the type of business that you provide is, let's say, 24/5 or 24/7. So, kailangan ito ng constant operation. Any disruption of that services may cause some, let's say, financial impact or impact sa trust ng mga clients nyo. Kaya it's important to have this in place. And actually, majority of companies have this, no? So, let's say, for any event na magkaroon, let's say, ng mga cyber attacks or disasters, nandito sa plano na to kung paano magre-react yung business nyo para ma-recover yung service. At kaya ko siya binibring up ngayon, no? Kasi, di ba, meron tayong bagyo, like si Enteng. And it affected a lot of corporate workers, no? So, yung means of the people to go to the office, medyo naging mahirap. Nagkaroon ng challenge dun no, sa pag-travel. And usually, companies or organizations will have BCP communications no, na ay, pwede kayo mag-work from home today. And that's what happened nung Monday tsaka Tuesday, kaya di ako pumasok sa office. But fortunately, medyo nag-okay na yung weather, no? So, andito tayo ngayon. But we're still on standby, no? In case na magkaroon uli ng malakas na pag-ulan or hangin, then this will be activated again. No? Kaya kung mag-a-apply kayo sa mga companies, no, kailangan nyo din talagang alamin to. Kasi dapat alam nyo rin yung mga galawan in case meron mga disruptions na katulad nito. But we also have to do our part. Kaya naman, kailangan nating i-ensure na meron tayong backup place in case na magkaroon ng mga gantong pangyayari. Meron tayong stable na internet. Merong available na kuryente. And if worst comes to worst, kung lahat yun is hindi available, then you need to inform your managers or leads na hindi ka talaga makakapag-work. And I just have to say, no, very grateful talaga ako dito sa company ko kasi they are really proactive in checking on the status of the employees. May isang instance pa nga no, na yung country manager namin dito is personally nag-message siya sa akin then ask for kung kamusta ako, which is my first time no sa buong career ko. I've been through many times na ganito, no, and this is really the first time. So, I really appreciate it. Also, yung pag-check sa amin ng mga managers, yung BCP communications, we're able to plan our day ahead, no, dahil sa mga comms na yun. Kaya naman, super happy ako with how they handle it. At yung BCP, hindi lang siya exclusive, no, sa mga disasters or cyber attacks. Pwede din yung mga major disruptions, like kunyari, network issues. Let's say yung mga data centers nyo, may isa na nag-down. Meron ba kayong disaster recovery plan? Meron ba kayong backup ng mga data centers? So, it's a lot, no? And I suggest that you guys look it up. It's a really interesting topic. It's important to know din yung mga ganito, no? Para alam nyo yung movement in case these things happen. Yun lang yung gusto ko i-discuss, no, about BCP. Ayun, no? So, naparami tayo. Kayo ba? Kamusta ba yung BCP sa company nyo? But before I forget, gusto ko i-mention na sana safe kayo, no? To anyone who is watching this, I may have posted this late. If need nyo talaga ng help, no? I hope you have your emergency contacts. You also have the government hotlines, yung mga local contacts nyo, no? So do reach out to anyone, no? Ayun, balik na muna tayo dun sa room. Tapusin ko lang itong mga task ko. Then, I'll see kung makakauwi ako ng maaga, papaalam na lang ako. Baka kasi mahirapan ako mag-book later, no? So yeah, tara! We're done.
Yung timeline, hindi ko na nilagay yung mga iba.
Let's go. Mamadali na tayo kasi dumating na yung sasakyan. Uwi tayong early. Kasi baka mahirapan tayo mamaya. With this, no, I'll be ending the vlog here. Hopefully, napagbigay ko ng value sa inyo. No? Mag-online pa tayo pag-uwi. Some work pa. But again, thank you for watching. Yun lang.